Welcome to TechVibes. Today we are exposing a massive danger in the world of online privacy. You probably use a VPN to stay safe, but what if your VPN is actually the greatest threat to your data? We are diving into a high-stakes warning about the most dangerous VPN of all time. This is not just about slow speeds or broken links. This is about total digital compromise in 2026. Most people download a VPN to hide their IP address and bypass regional blocks. However, a major security report has uncovered a terrifying new trend. Cybercriminals are now using SEO poisoning to push fake VPN download pages to the top of your search results. These pages look exactly like official sites for trusted brands like Cisco or Fortinet. If you are not careful, you could be handing over the keys to your entire digital life. The danger starts the moment you download what looks like a legitimate MSI installer. In reality, these fake apps silently sideload malicious files onto your computer. When you see the login screen and enter your credentials, you aren't connecting to a secure server. You are sending your username and password directly to a hacker. The most devious part is that the app then redirects you to the real website. You never even suspect that your data was stolen. This is a landmark example of living off the land attacks. Hackers are no longer just using malware, they are using legitimate enterprise tools against you. Once they have your admin credentials, they can remotely wipe your devices or access your private accounts. This isn't just a theory. In early 2026, we saw this exact method used to disrupt global manufacturing and even critical healthcare infrastructure. To stay safe, you must be extremely selective about where you get your software. Never trust a VPN ad that pops up on a random website. Only download installers directly from the official developer's homepage. Check the URL carefully for any misspellings or strange domain extensions. A small mistake in the web address is often the only clue that you are on a fraudulent site. You should also look into modern security alternatives like passkeys and hardware keys. These provide a much stronger layer of defense than a simple password. In an age where even your security tools can be compromised, relying on a single login is a mistake. Combining a trusted VPN with two-factor authentication is the only way to maintain true digital privacy. Thank you for watching TechVibes. We are here to help you navigate these dangerous tech trends and keep your devices secure. If you found this warning helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more urgent cybersecurity updates. Your digital safety depends on staying informed. Stay alert and stay safe out there.